I'm Sammy. And this is?
Vida.
Mina. And who's this?
Hattie.
Hattie. That's right. Provecho in Spanish means like enjoy your meal. It's probably the equivalent of what we know as bon appetit in French. Today we are making adobo mushroom tacos. They are so complex in flavor, but they are a really easy recipe because trust me, we need easy. Edgar in his recipe calls for chanterelle mushrooms, which are out of season. So today we're using a combination of cremini, portobello, and maitake mushrooms, which are my personal favorite for anything that is replicating meat because they have the meatiest, yummiest texture. You are so good at chopping mushrooms. Chop again? Yeah, you don't want to chop your hand. You want to chop only... Yeah, you don't want to chop your hand. Just the mushrooms. Good. Yeah, that's a big one. Oh, you want me to have the big ones and you take the baby ones?
Yeah.
Okay, you take it. Sure. Hey, Mina, we're missing a couple mushrooms. Where might they be? You got mushrooms in your pockets? Get those out of there. First step, preheat the oven to 400 degrees. All right. Then, in a medium bowl, combine the mushrooms, onion, lime juice, avocado oil, oregano, cumin, garlic powder, coconut sugar, Mina, salt, and cayenne, and stir together.
Hold on.
Spread the mushrooms in a single layer on a rimmed baking sheet. Go ahead, use the spatula. Push them onto the pan. Perfect. Roast the mushrooms until they reach your desired texture. I like them golden brown, about 20 minutes. The longer the mushrooms roast, the crispier and drier they will be. Do we want our mushrooms to be a little bit crispy? Okay, so while the mushrooms roast, this is your favorite part. Now we prep all of our toppings. We like toppings. Warm a medium skillet over medium heat for 3 to 4 minutes. Add each tortilla and warm until it is pliable, 15 to 25 seconds per side. Fill the tortillas with the mushrooms. Add some salsa, vegan crema, tomatoes, radishes if desired, and cilantro. Squeeze on some lime juice and serve immediately. Is that good? Can you say que rico?
Rico.
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 Do we try mushies? Oh, yum. Hattie loves mushrooms, huh? Can Mama try a bite? Oh my gosh. Man. That is so flavorful. You want to put it on mine? Go ahead. Put it on mine. Wow. Goodness gracious, that is so good. I mean, I knew they'd be good. We've made these before, but.